Today I will show how to peak fitting can be done for the carbon 1s. So you can see the carbon 1s here. I will select the carbon 1s. So firstly I should select a background. So here to here is fine, I think. So I add a smart background. Okay, I added. You can see the yellow background here. And I will close it. Then I will add peaks. So first peak is here. It will be a terrible fitting, I think, since I cannot adjust the Gaussian-to-Lorentzian peaks ratios, unfortunately. So I will add another one. I will add another peak. So I will add a single peak here and one more peak here. Okay, so I added, and I will fit all levels. So we can choose our fitting algorithm. So there is a simplex and power. So we can adjust the Gaussian and Lorentz mix ratio, but it is, as you see, very limited. So we have only 3 options, and I want to fit all level. Okay, so it is still fitting. Okay, fitting is done, and I will accept it. And for instance, you want to export this data. Okay, I will not make fitting for the oxygen. This is just a simple example. So you can see the peak fit carbon Venus scan A, which is here. Scan B is here, and you can see the height, area of the peak, and area ratio. And I want to take this data as an Excel format, for instance. How can I do that? So firstly, report, and so there are report options. I click the Excel and I will click the report options, and I will write something here. So for instance, this is the trial carbon 1s dot XLS, and I will put it to the desktop. There is my folder. Here. Okay, I can put it here. And name carbon 1s trial. I will say open. I will say OK, and I will report it to the chosen position. Oh, by the way, I have to choose all of them. Okay, if I don't choose all of them, just carbon 1s gain. But if I choose all of them by just clicking this side, okay, I will choose all the data, 3 of them, and I will report it again. So it is taking all of them one by one. And at bottom, Excel file is ready. And for instance, this is the survey, and this is the carbon peak fitting can be seen here. You can see carbon 1s scan A and carbon 1s scan B. So this part is good, but I want to show another thing here. So if you look at the peak table, you can see the atomic percentage, full width half maximum, height of the peaks, background which is smart, mixture of Tugart and Shirley. You can also see the Schofield cross section, but it is one since I just put fitting for one carbon 1s. So if I use the oxygen 1s, then this ratios shouldn't be 1, of course. And there are also other useful informations. These are empty files simply, but data files are something like this. So I can draw this data in another graphing software, and this is it.